Today I'm making grilled cupcakes. Most of what you'll eat on the 4th of July is cooked on the grill. Why not add cupcakes to that list? Keep your oven off and your house cool. Let's make some grilled blue raspberry cupcakes. As always, you can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description.
Let's start off with mixing the dry ingredients. Into a bowl, you're going to add...
What are you doing? We already did this joke. This is Manny from Manny's Made at Home. He's got tons of amazing videos including Irish, Mexican, and Italian inspired recipes that you should go check out. One of my personal favorites is his take on a creamy carbonara using homemade noodles.
We're collaborating on some red, white, and blue 4th of July recipes. I hope you're excited.
Make sure you go check out his video once you're all done here. I'll leave a link for you down in the description. For our cupcake batter, you're going to need 1 2/3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of vinegar, 3/4 cup of butter softened, 1 cup of sugar, 3 egg whites, and 2 teaspoons of raspberry extract. So like Manny said, we're starting off with our dry ingredients. Into a large bowl, I'm going to add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk together to combine evenly. Now let's mix our wet ingredients. Grab a small bowl and add in your sour cream, vinegar, and milk. I'm using a small whisk to break up the sour cream and get everything to mix evenly. Watch out, you're gonna spill. There you go. Next, I'm grabbing my stand mixer and adding in 1.5 sticks of softened butter and some sugar. Turn the mixer up to about medium and cream until smooth and well mixed. Now let's add in our raspberry extract and egg whites and continue mixing. Trying to keep the mixer from shaking the whole table and making sure to scrape down the sides along the way to ensure this is well mixed. Now I'm alternating between adding a little of the dry and wet ingredients and continuing to make a mess everywhere. I almost forgot to color my batter, so I'm just adding and mixing in some blue gel food coloring until I'm happy with the color. I'm going for a deep blue for my cupcakes, but feel free to use whatever color you want or omit it completely. Now we're going to line our tray with cupcake liners and fill them up. I'm using the ice cream scooper to try and get even amounts. I found that overflowing isn't really an issue with this recipe, so I'm filling them up almost all the way. We don't want any direct heat under our cupcakes in the grill, so I'm using a porcelain enameled wok topper upside down in the middle of the grill to elevate the cupcakes from the heat a bit, and turning my outer burners to medium while the center ones stay off. This should get the grill to about 350 degrees in a few minutes. So once it's reached 350, go ahead and pop your cupcakes in for 30 minutes, rotating halfway through. We want these to cool completely before decorating, so let's get our ingredients together and start our frosting. For the buttercream, you'll need 1/2 cup of butter, softened, about 2 1/4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and about 1/4 cup of milk. Back into the mixer, we're adding the butter and beating the shit out of it till it looks light and fluffy. Now slowly begin adding in the powdered sugar, about 1/2 cup at a time, till it's all well combined. Toss in some vanilla, a pinch of salt, a little milk, and continue mixing until it's smooth, like this. Add more or less milk as needed to get here. Alright, now let's transfer the buttercream to a piping bag and pipe a little swirl on top of each cupcake. I'm going for a red, white, and blue look, so I'm cutting the tops off some strawberries and popping them on the cupcakes. You could also skip the berries and just stick with the red cupcake liners to complete your 4th of July treat. These cupcakes exceeded my expectations. They came out beautifully with the rich blue and red colors and the bright contrasting white of the buttercream. Who knew you could bake cupcakes on the grill? Did you? Let me know in the comments if you've heard of this before. Alright, what do these taste like? Does it taste grilled? It's just an amazing raspberry cupcake. Soft, moist, and not overly sweet, these cupcakes pair perfectly with the sweet buttercream and the freshness of the strawberries. Baking these cupcakes on the grill turned out to be a super easy solution to not wanting to turn on my oven in the summer. Make your buttercream ahead of time and try these out at your next cookout. Thanks again to Manny for collaborating with me on this video. It's been so much fun working together. Make sure to head on over to his channel next and check out his video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, consider subscribing. Regulars, thank you as always for watching. I hope to see you all next Thursday.